You ready for a car? Philster, right?
Yes.
Is that at Wiley?
Thank you so much.
You bet. You bet. Well, Cross Timbers, which we do every single year with Fix My Ride, and they reached out because there was a needy person. I know it's taken a while with our shortness of used cars, but it's something we've done for Toby and Tanya and Fix My Ride and Cross Timber Chirp for 8-9 years, probably even longer. I just can't remember. And this will be the second one this year. Third one in the last 2 years that we're giving out to somebody in need. We've completely gone through the vehicle, serviced it, did all the maintenance, brought all the maintenance records up to date on it, did a complete service on the vehicle, checked brakes, oil leaks, suspension, operating of the vehicle. There's some minor imperfections, but no safety or anything that didn't let you have a good, reliable transportation to and from. But it's a 2010 Mazda 3 hatch, and it's compliments of classic of Denton, classic Mazda, and Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. And you got any children, or what's their ages? 10 and 7. They go to school here. Where they go to school?
They go to Ebert.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Through the Denton Independent School District. Cool. Well, they're out for the summer then, right?
Yeah.
So, what have you been driving prior to?
I have 2009 Chevy AVO 5, but it has ran its course.
It has ran its course. So it's ready to send to the salvage yard or something.
Yeah.
Did it have AC?
Just barely.
When you had the windows rolled down, it had the AC at 55 miles an hour then, right? Cold AC. Matter of fact, when we brought it over from detail this morning, my one employee says, "Dang, that thing's got cold AC." But it's automatic. It's got power windows, power door locks, tilt cruise. It has Bluetooth, so if you have a phone, you can pair your phone, so you'll be in compliance. But it's classic of Denton's culture. It's bred all the way from Tom Durant, who's partner with Richard Allen, to all of our employees, that it's just our culture. We love giving back to the community because it's just what we do. And through Cross Timbers Church, Tanya, Toby, want to come over here and see your brand new car? You want us in front? Tanya, you want to? So this is the first time for you to see it. So we'll step inside and let you open up the door and see what the car looks like. Hope you like blue. Is blue your favorite color? Doesn't even matter at this time, right? Sit in and move up the seat. See how it starts and runs for you. It'll start the first time too.
Okay. It's already getting cold. Thank you so much. Wow. My kids are gonna have a fit.
Are they really?
Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're definitely welcome. And it's free. You don't know, just got to have which you have insurance, current insurance. And you'll be receiving a title in your name.
Thank you so much.
You bet. You're welcome.
Can I get another?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, turn it off and you can see how big it is, how much room you have. Child seats, got plenty of room, child seats in the tethers.
have hatch. This is way bigger.
Got all that space. These fold down, so you have more room. Spare tire and all your jack and tools are all located right there for you. Here's where your jack is. Hopefully you never have a flat. But it's all yours.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate this. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm at a loss for words. Thank you.
You bet.
Thank you, Miss Tanya. Thank you so much. I really appreciate y'all. Everybody. Like, it's been a long time coming.
Well,
Thank you.
your kid's not gonna know how to react
They
when
are
when you
not.
be able to get to and from, and
I didn't even tell them.
oh,
So
they
it's
don't
gonna
even
be
know.
A surprise when I go pick them up. I really appreciate this, y'all.
Well, and it's the Mazda 3 hatch, and it's got the larger engine, 2.5 liter, automatic, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, cruise control, Bluetooth, program your phone to it, and it's all yours.
Thank you.
It's better than let's make a deal.
It is. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it.
Got anything you want to say besides you can't say nothing?
I'm just very appreciative of y'all and Cross Timbers. Love the car. I'm just very grateful. It's been a long time. I've been needing a car for a while, and I just thank God he came through for me. He always does. But I was like, oh God, we couldn't have close this time because I don't know when this car is going to give out. But I'm grateful that I always come through every time. So I'm very appreciative. Thank y'all so much.
Well, thank you. And Lord works in mysterious ways.
He does, because never would I imagine. I thought I was going to just get my car fixed. And then when, like, the repairs were worth more than the car. And I was like, okay, God, well, this is just going to be, I have to go in another direction. And then Miss Tanya called me last week, and I was like, and she was talking, she was like, are you still there? So, yeah, I'm very grateful.
Well, we did fix it. We just ran it through the car wash and it came out new. It's a different vehicle.
Yeah. Thank you.
Are you going to remember when you go to the parking lot to what to look for now?
I am. It's mine. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you very much. And we're glad to help you out and the kids. It's not Christmas time, but it's Christmas in June.
It will be when they see it. I really appreciate it. Thank y'all so much.
You bet. Thank you. Well, we'll get you to do some paperwork, and then we'll either let, if you want me to drive it off the showroom floor, or if you want to drive it off the showroom floor.
I'm gonna let you do that one.
Okay, fantastic.
All right.
I've already got a picture of your driver's license and insurance card that was sent to me from that mysterious person named Tanya.
Okay.